Hi, my loves. This is Raven from Raven's Reviews, and welcome back to my channel. So, y'all, we are in double digits. I can't believe it. Welcome to day 10 of the Advent Calendar series. I cannot believe we are in double digits, y'all. This calendar has been so amazing and has made December so incredibly special. But I'm getting nervous. These days are flying by a little too fast for my liking. So, day 10. What is day 10 going to bring? You know I put my detective glasses, and it's a full-size bottle, y'all. This is heavy. I'm thinking, I'm like, what full-size product? It's gonna be limited edition, but it's hefty. So I cannot wait. But first of all, this rose gold is to die for. This box is so beautiful, and it has royal blue planets. Like, it is interplanetary, baby. Okay, without further ado, let's open her up and see all of the magic. I am seriously bracing myself. Oh my gosh, that is so beautiful. Wait a minute now. Rubber base? Okay, my dreams were answered, so I was like, please let it either be a glitter or a rubber base, but never in my wildest dreams. I thought I was just getting ahead of myself. But oh my gosh, this beautiful nude. I can't get over how delicate this color is. Oh my goodness, this is definitely a perfect dusty rose. I am screaming. So there is a collection that recently came out that was Brazil, Ecuador, and Peru. They were $21.95. They are still available on the website. And what I think is so amazing about like rubber bases, period, is that they're thicker than regular base coat, but they're flexible and sheer, so you can build it up however to like whatever opacity you want. But what I'm mystified at is that, especially when you're growing your natural nails long, I swear, you pick up something and instead of your nails snapping, it makes it more flexible so they bend, they don't break. And I swear, this beautiful nude that they've put in this advent calendar, this is a sister to the Brazil, Peru, and Ecuador. It goes with the color story, and I just can't, like, I can stare at this nude for days. She is so beautiful. I am just squealing though. I can't get over, like, they are giving so many dynamite products in this. Like, I stand behind the rubber base. My nails have never been longer and more strong in my life. And I call it the Holy Trinity. Their base coat, their builder gel in a bottle, Pure Serenity, and their top coat. And of course, all of their luscious, vegan, cruelty-free, 21-free, and palm oil-free formula. Plus, don't forget, ain't no HEMA round here. Oh, but I gotta say, no matter what, if you're using their base coats, their rubber bases, it is the perfect foundation, and you can literally put anything. If you are working with the medium of acrylic, polygel, gel, like no matter what you're using, it is the perfect foundation and just has your nails, it gives that extra strength. So I am just freaking out that they have given us this rubber base. I can't wait to see what's in tomorrow because, y'all, it's in a long box. And if my detective skills are right, it's gotta be a liner. Oh, can we just have a moment again for this box? I can't get over between the royal blue and all of the rose gold realness. This is my favorite. And I swear, this year they have already outdid themselves. I can't wait for tomorrow. Thank you for coming in to day 10. And I cannot wait to see you for tomorrow. 11/11, right? We gotta make all the wishes. But then again, Madam Glam already made all the wishes come true with this gorgeous advent calendar. I can't wait to see you in tomorrow's video. Mwah. Thank you for watching.